Okay, this is your video on how to set up your journal for this class. So you're going to need your journal, you're going to need a pair of scissors, you're going to need 3 colors of markers or colored pencils, whatever you want to use. You'll need a pencil or a pen, you'll need a ruler, and then at the end you'll also need some Scotch tape if you get to it, and you also need your pages. Okay, so step number 1 is we are going to put this on here. And this is a giant piece of label paper, so it's very sticky when you peel the backing off. We're going to cut this out, just like this. So we have our little pieces, cut those off. And make sure you throw away your trash, please, at the end of class when you're all finished. So this is going to go right here. There's another page. So we're going to go ahead and peel this off, and I like to bend the corner back and then pick at it, and it'll help peel it off. There are different little pieces of paper on the back to peel off of these. Some people may have one giant sheet, just depends on which one you got. So make sure it's right side up. Step number 1 should be at the top, and you're going to put this down. So that's all you do on that page. This is our table of contents for the notes section of our journal. So we're going to label this table of contents. And then over here on the second line, you're going to write page number, or just page. And then on the other side of the pink line, you're going to write name of assignment. Then you're going to take your ruler, and we're going to make this pink line nice and bold. So we're going to go down along it. And then we're also going to make this into a header. So we're going to go across, just like that. So your page should have table of contents at the top, page, and number of assignment. And the only thing that gets listed in this table of contents are the items that will go in the first 74 pages. So now if we look at this, the next page we need to find is page 75. So we're going to turn to page 75. And we're going to put that sticker on the top of page 75. So this is 73. So we're now at 75. So we're going to cut this out. And the career section is where we keep track of careers like vocabulary. So we have this, it's going to go right here at the top. Oops, you can't see that. It's going to go right there at the top. So again, we're going to peel the backing off. And I just like to bend the corner, peel it off. Oh, we got lots of little pieces. One more. Okay, so now this is going to, you want to line it up, and then you put it down and press it down. So that goes on page 75. The next page we're going to be looking for is page 91. So let's find page 91. Okay, there is page 91. So now we are going to cut the vocabulary one out. Okay. And then this is going to get placed right about there. So again, peel the back off, bend the corner, and it gets it to start, and make sure you get every piece of backing off. So there we go. Put that down. There we go. And the last one we're looking for is page 111. So page 111 gets Google. Oh, I need to trim my edge. Trim, trim, trim. Okay, so now I'm going to trim this, fold the corner over to get it peeled and started, and then peel that off, throw it to the way. Again, make sure you throw away all your trash at the end of class, or when you're finished. So we have the Google Doodle one. It's going to get placed at the top. We're going to put that right at the top. So then all you should have left are your tabs. So these are the tabs that are going to stick out the edge of your journal. So the first section we need to locate is our career section. And our career section is on page 75. But before we cut anything out, we're going to go ahead and color these. So I'm going to color vocabulary pink. Whatever colors you want to color is up to you, but you need to make sure you can still read the words. Then I'm going to go careers is yellow. And again, make sure you can still read the words. And Google is going to be green. You can use highlighters if you want. I wouldn't use Sharpies because it's hard to read. Now we're going to cut these out, and I need the careers one first. So we're going to cut all these out. Okay, careers is the first one that I need. So a secret way to make this cutting easier, if you fold it over the dotted line, fold it just like that, and then cut this little notch out. It'll make life easier. Okay. And then I want my words to be facing this direction. So what's going to happen is we're going to line it up and put it so that this edge is on the first line of our paper. And we'll line it up like this, and then we'll fold it over and it'll make a tab. So you have to peel the backing off. Let's peel the backing off. Peel, peel, peel. Okay, so we got that peeled off. Don't need that anymore. We're going to line that up right there, and then lift it up. Make sure it's only one page, and you fold it over on itself. Now you have a tab, just like so. So the next one we want to go to is vocabulary, which is on page 111. Page 111. Nope, vocabulary is not 111. Vocabulary is page 91. Changed. Vocabulary, page 91. Ooh, almost made a mistake. How many of you were yelling at me as I said that? No, vocabulary is on 91. Okay, so we're going to fold this over. And then we're going to cut our little notches out. Just like so. Okay. And again, I want my words to go this way. Now if I look at this careers one, it takes up lines 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to start my vocabulary at the fourth blue line down. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is where my vocabulary tab is going to start. So I'm going to peel the backing off. There we go. Got it peeled. So we want line 1, 2, 3, 4. The blue lines. Count the fourth one down. Line it up. Lift it up. Fold it over. And we have our tab. And so you can see when we line it up, it's nice in there. Now we're going to go to page 111 for Google. Okay, so again, fold this over. Trim it up. So we have our tab, okay, just like this, and I want my word to be facing, and vocabulary took up line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so the 8th line down is where I want Google to start. So we're going to peel the backing off, yeah, peel, peel. Okay, peel the backing off. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right there is where I want this to line up and start. 8th line down, lift it up, fold it over, and it's done. And then the last step is we take some Scotch tape and we reinforce these to make these a little bit stronger. So you just take a piece of tape, put it over top your tab, lift over, and then fold this over your tab. It makes it plastic and stronger. You do that with all 3 tabs of your journal. Just like that. Okay. And then what you have to do to turn this in on Canvas, what you need to do is show me a video You need to show me this page. You need to flip to the careers, flip to the vocabulary, and flip to the Google Doodle section. And you can leave your journal on your desk and angle your Chromebook lid, and you can show it like this. And it's okay if it faces this direction, or if yours is upside down in the video, that's fine. I'm just looking to make sure this is complete, this is complete, this is complete, and this is complete. Okay?